Hi, a few days back I was introduced to this concept that if we take up a challenge and we do something for 25 days, basically if you cross 21 days, then anything you do for continuously 21 days becomes a habit. So I was told by this friend of mine that let's take up this challenge for 25 days and it will become a habit. So he said that we should take up this push-up challenge, which he has already taken up through a friend. And he said, see Sunil, it will do good for you. And eventually after crossing 21 days, when you reach 25 days, it will become a daily habit. And your body will also start shaping up. You'll start feeling good. Initially you will feel the strain, but as you go along, you will feel better. And true to his advice, I started it. Yes, initially I used to have a lot of body pain and I used to have that feeling that yes, I'm feeling little discomfort. But then as I went along, I started getting comfortable, more and more comfortable with the idea that I have to do these push-ups. And today, being the day, 21st day, when it actually becomes a habit, I feel great. And now, every morning, I don't have to be motivated. I don't have to push myself. Automatically, I feel I should do the push-ups and I feel good. And now I would like to continue this. Let's see, I am thinking of extending this 25-day challenge, challenging myself to a 100-day challenge. So crossing 90 days where it becomes more than a habit, it gets into your subconscious, then it becomes very, very easy. It becomes like how we walk and how we talk and how we eat. We don't have to be told, it just happens. So that's how I want to go. That's the direction I want to take now. Let's see what will happen on the 100th day. So today is 21 days, landmark day. I've officially made it a habit, and I would like to encourage all of you, my friends, come take up this challenge. It's not something that somebody has to challenge you and you have to do it. It's you have to challenge yourselves. So come on, take up this challenge, do it for a continuous 25 days, post on Facebook, post on all social media. Posting on social media is like committing. You will be committed because you have to post. You know people are watching. And I'm thankful for all of you who've been watching, who've been giving suggestions. Everybody has given me a small suggestion from how my posture should be, how much lower my dip should go. And some have even counted my numbers. When I have actually left one number, they've said, you think you should have done 17, but you've written 16. That was because I was not satisfied with the last dip myself. So that's how we should do. I want to see all of you, my friends, coming in, joining in, encouraging me. Give your comments, it's very helpful, and I would like to have more and more people joining this group. See you all, see you there. Let's take up this challenge, let's make new habits. Let's not worry about the lockdown. Bye. Don't forget your nutrition. Cheers.